Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 15th of December. In this video we're going to look at the charts on the copper price, which has the code XCUUSD. What we'll see is that in the longer term picture we can still be in a flag in the bullish run. However, on the short term picture we've bounced up to a resistance level. Does the copper price have the momentum to carry it forward? Let's look at those charts. So as usual, starting with the weekly, and you can see that after the dramatic fall we had the previous 2 weeks, this week's been a good week. It's taken us back above the rising 20-week moving average, which will now become one of the first support levels. It could also be that we've now kind of confirmed this trading range as a flag, and the lower boundary was set last week at 292, so a mid-range at the moment, but if it is a flag it could continue for quite some time. The other moving average is moving up as well, apart from the 200. That's still moving down, but it is starting to roll. RSI is in a downtrend. You've got but it is still above 50, so still indicating some positive momentum, but the MACD has rolled over, so keep your eye on that. On the daily picture you can see that we've bounced up to the resistance of the downtrending moving averages, the 20, and the 50 is rolling over as well. When they crossed on the 1st of December it wasn't a bearish cross, as the 50 was rising, the 20 was declining. So if we can get back up, if we can get above the 50, there's every chance that the 20 will pass up through the 50 in an upward direction and break the downtrend. But at the moment we're hitting the resistance of these moving averages and also hitting these resistance levels from this range trade period. Momentum has gone momentarily positive. RSI 52.1. We do need to maintain the upside, obviously, for that to keep moving up. And likewise, the MACD has confirmed that upside momentum, with the short term moving above the longer term. On the 4 hour, again we're up to resistance, this time from the downtrending 200 moving average on the 4 hour. That presently is at 306.26, and you can see the previous resistance levels that I talked about on the daily. Momentum just starting to decline somewhat, but is at high levels, indicating positive momentum. Likewise, MACD still indicating positive momentum, but they are rolling. Looking at the support and resistance levels, we've got resistance at the 200 from the 4 hour, 3.0626, then at the 50 day 3.0858, with supports coming in at the 20 from the 4 hour, 3.0249, and then at the 20 week 3.023. So that's been TA for Traders looking at copper. The key takeaways from the video should be that longer term could still be a flag. We've now bounced into resistance. Upside on the daily and 4 hour perhaps limited. RSI at the upper boundary of its own downtrend, and there would be concerns if the daily 20 and the moving averages roll. I think that meant to be the daily and the 4 hour and the moving averages roll. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Sorry about the dog barking at the door. I will go and let him in now. Please remember, these videos are for information only, and they are for educational purposes, and they are not meant as an investment recommendation. Please do read the disclaimer.